I converted this JPEG to an SVG with an online converter. It converted okay. It's missing the top part, and if you look at this arc, it's composed of a lot of small lines that you can't do a lot with. I'm going to just erase this by using the trim command under Modify and holding down the left mouse button. And when I'm done trimming as much as I can that way, I'll just select and hit delete. Now I'm going to draw a circle to serve as the face. And all these individual parts came in pretty well. They all extrude up separately. So I'm going to right click, choose press pull, and bring the sunglasses up. And click OK. I need to turn the sketches back on because they automatically turn off. I'm going to repeat for the mouth, and then I'll repeat for the circle. Next, I'll draw a business card to go under this emoji. Click on Sketch, click on the plane to sketch on, click on the rectangle, and I'm drawing it around the emoji. I'm going to round off the corners with a 3-point arc. Instead of drawing the arc 3 more times, I'm going to mirror it, and I need a mirror line, so I'm running the mouse over that horizontal line until the midpoint shows up, so I can draw a line to mirror the arc around. And I'm drawing another mirror line. Now I'll click Mirror, click Select the mirror line, select the mirror line, and there I have a mirrored arc. Now I want to mirror both these arcs. So I select them both with the Shift key, and then select Mirror Line, and then select the mirror line itself. Click OK, and there are the other 2 arcs. And with the trim command, I'll remove the corners. Now I'm going to draw a spline because I'm going to draw text along it. Click on Text, Text on Path, click the spline, and there is my text on path. I'll type what I want. And I've got all kinds of options here. For example, fit to path. That makes the text the entire length of the spline. I can choose a font. And I can choose the placement of the text. Click OK. Finish the sketch. And now let's right-click on the text and press pull it up. Let's delete these mirror lines by selecting and hitting the delete key. And now we just need to press pull the face of the card. I'm going to press pull it downwards just to make it a bit easier. And there's the card. I'll turn off the sketches now to see it better. Click File, Export, scroll down to STL file, and export it. There is the card in Mesh Mixer, showing that it exported with all pieces intact and looks good for 3D printing.